inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want.
It comes again. Big chance to get at them. Vinicius Junior!
And the goals just keep coming. Confidence sky high, 4 in a row. 4 in this game, and you have to applaud his attitude.
And it was such a beautiful lob, deserved to find the net. The keeper was well beaten with that.
That is simply brilliant. I dare anyone to top that. Rafinha. Vinicius Junior. Bellingham. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
And that's sensible use of the head.
He's got the ball, he's got the space. Doesn't get the pass he's looking for. Pedri. Rafinha.
Here's another good opportunity.
He's taking on the lot of them. Good block, that was very necessary. In towards the middle. Alaba. Camavinga. Vinicius Junior. Oh, great chance! He's been bundled over, that is a foul. Plays it back. The ball's loose, and he's after it. Mbappe. Gets it, and now what?
That's now 3 from 3, a player on form. Pulling one back reduces the deficit to 2, but still leaves an awful lot to do.
Yeah, I thought the run was... Rafinha.